5 interesting facts about moon. Number 5. The moon is not as big as you think. As far as moons go, our moon is pretty average in terms of size. It's the 27th largest moon in the solar system, which means that 5 other moons out there are larger than our very own. The moon's diameter is just over 3,400 kilometers, which is about 1/3 the size of Earth's diameter. If you wanted to fit as many moons as you could into Earth, you could fit about 3 of them side by side. Number 4. The moon isn't as far away as you might think. Considering how much of a pain it is to get there, you would think that the moon would be a lot farther away. At its closest point, the moon is about 363,000 miles from Earth. That's about 584,000 kilometers. And at its farthest, the moon is about 25,000 miles or 40,000 kilometers farther away from Earth. The moon actually orbits the Earth on an oval path, so the distance between the two varies as the moon travels along its path. Number 3. The moon rotates on its axis at the same rate that it orbits the Earth. This is the reason why we always see the same side of the moon. The first human to observe this was Galileo Galilei more than 300 years ago. He also discovered that the moon's surface was covered with craters and mountains and other features that we can still see today. Because the moon rotates on its axis at the same rate that it orbits the Earth, it keeps one side turned toward us at all times. But did you know that the side of the moon facing away from us is not what it used to be? Billions of years ago, the side of the moon facing the Earth was also the side that was visible from the far side of the moon, but over time, the tidal forces of the Earth have caused the moon to stretch slightly. This has made the near side of the moon bulge out a bit, which is why we can see so much more of it than the far side. Number 2. The moon affects Earth's tides. The gravitational pull of the moon is the main cause of the tides we experience on Earth. As the moon rotates the Earth every 27 days, its gravitational pull causes the water on Earth's surface to bulge out on the side facing the moon. This bulge is what we call high tide. On the opposite side of the Earth, the centrifugal force of the moon's gravity causes another bulge of water. So twice a year, as the moon orbits the Earth, we experience the high tides and to low tides. The high tides usually occur about 6 hours apart, with the low tides in between. The gravitational pull of the sun also affects Earth's tides, but it's much weaker than the pull of the moon because the sun is so far away. When the sun and moon line up, their gravitational pulls combine to cause extra high tides called spring tides. When the sun and moon are at right angles to each other, their gravitational pulls cancel each other out, resulting in extra low tides called neap tides. Number 1. The moon is getting farther away from Earth. The moon is drifting away from Earth at a rate of about 3 centimeters or 1.2 inches per year. This means that in about 50 billion years, the moon will be so far away that it will no longer be able to hold Earth's atmosphere in its gravitational pull. At that point, Earth would become a barren, frozen wasteland. Don't worry though. In about a billion years, the sun will expand and engulf Earth, so chances are we won't be around to see it. Now, you know some amazing facts about the moon. Do you know any other facts that we didn't mention? Share them with us in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.